Imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing your usual coffee, and realizing the same drink that once cost you $3.50 is now $6.25. Gas prices flashing $5 a gallon, groceries like bread, milk, and eggs nearly doubling, and your paycheck feeling smaller even though the numbers on your salary slip haven't changed. This is the painful reality of inflation in USA 2025. A financial storm touching every household and business across the country, where rising prices combined with Federal Reserve interest rates are leaving Americans overwhelmed, from middle-class families struggling to pay bills, to small business owners caught between higher costs and losing customers, to young graduates realizing that saving for a house feels impossible. And yet in the middle of this chaos, ordinary people are searching for answers on YouTube, typing phrases like how to survive inflation. Best investments during inflation, Personal Finance Tips 2025, Saving Money During Inflation, How to Manage Debt in High Interest Rates, Desperate to Find a Way Out. The truth is that while inflation feels like an unstoppable force, survival depends on strategy, and real-life stories prove it. Sarah, a nurse from Chicago, cut $400 monthly just by budgeting, cooking at home, and negotiating bills. John, from New York, moved his savings into inflation-proof investments like gold, TIPS, and index funds. Linda and Michael in Texas refinanced their mortgage before rates climbed and consolidated high-interest credit card debt. Alex, a young graduate in California, turned his frustration into a side hustle editing videos online, making $700 extra per month that went into savings. And Maria, the bakery owner in Florida, adapted her business by rebranding, raising prices strategically, and even starting a YouTube channel, turning her struggle into a new source of income. Each of them proves that the key lies not in panicking but in adapting, by cutting unnecessary expenses, eliminating debt, diversifying investments, and building new income streams, because inflation is cruelest when ignored, but powerless when confronted with consistent action. So if you're watching this and feeling trapped by rising costs, remember this. You can't stop prices from climbing, but you can control your response. You can manage your budget, protect your savings, increase your income, and most importantly, shift your mindset from fear to strategy, because financial freedom strategies are not about waiting for the economy to fix itself. They are about acting now. Today is the day to track your spending, pay off high-interest loans, explore inflation-resistant assets, and invest in yourself, because in times of crisis, knowledge, discipline, and adaptability are the greatest tools you have. And while inflation may be the #1 concern in America right now, your future doesn't have to be defined by it. Your future can be stronger, safer, and smarter if you choose to act.